Introduction. Programming operations do not all happen instantaneously. Some functions need to be executed after a delay or at regular intervals. JavaScript timers control the flow of a program in a time-controlled manner. Understanding JavaScript timers. setTimeout function executes a function or a specific piece of code after a specified delay. setInterval function executes a function or a specific piece of code at specified intervals. Clearing JavaScript timers. ClearTimeout function stops a timer that was previously set by setTimeout. ClearInterval function stops a timer that was previously set by setInterval. Tips, tricks, and common pitfalls. Understanding asynchronous nature of timers. JavaScript timers are asynchronous, means the rest of the code continues to execute while the timer is running. Minimum delay. In JavaScript, the minimum delay for setTimeout and setInterval is not exactly 0 milliseconds, but 4 milliseconds. Clearing non-existent timers. If you try to clear a timer using an ID that doesn't exist or has already been cleared, JavaScript won't throw an error. It will simply do nothing. Scope of variables in callback. The callback function of setTimeout and setInterval has access to the variables in the outer function. Conclusion. JavaScript timers are a powerful tool that can control the flow of a program in a time-controlled manner. They should be used wisely and with caution, understanding their asynchronous nature and scope implications.